Hello everyone, this is Shelly, and in today's video I will be sharing a simple 3-step body care routine, something which I follow for my body skin all year around, and especially during this winter taking a good body care is extremely important for me, because if you have extremely dry skin even on body, during this winter time it becomes very painful. Like, at least on my skin, I feel like if I miss my body lotion or body butter, I feel like the entire day as if somebody is pulling away my skin from the body. It gets painfully dry. So during winter, like, I cannot take a risk or I cannot get lazy with body moisturization. So for the past couple of months, I have been enjoying this Innisfree My Perfumed Body Pink Moly Grass Body Cleanser. And Innisfree has this range of body cleanser, like the perfumed body cleanser with the various kind of fragrance, and I have picked up the Moly Grass. This has a floral musky scent. This particular cleanser, it has very simple formulation. It is SLS free, SLES free, paraben free, and a very simple formulation, and additionally it has that added perfume. This is why it smells floral and musky. And I feel that, at least for me, when it comes to body cleanser, they need to have some good fragrance, because it makes the entire process of bathing very enjoyable. So for performance, like, it does not dry out my skin when compared to the conventional soaps or body cleanser, and it foams up very moderately. Like, again, it does foam up like how much it's needed, and of course it makes my bathroom smell so amazing. And the fragrance even on body, like, unless I do have a body lotion from this particular range, but I'm not using it at the moment because for winter I don't find it that moisturizing enough, so I've kept it back in my cupboard. Unless I switch up to a different body lotion, the fragrance does linger around for some minutes, and overall this cleanser is amazing. And plus, like, if you are planning to get this, definitely check it out during this Nykaa Pink Friday sale. This particular cleansers are in a 30% sale, so definitely check it out. Like, I will link all the products that I'm mentioning in this video in the description box below, and most of the links that I have included are my affiliate link. Like, using them is completely optional, but if you do, I will earn some little bit portion of a commission, which will help my channel grow. So the choice is yours. If you want, you can use the independent link or use my affiliate link. I have been using this Isntree Clear Skin 8% AHA Essence. It contains 4% of glycolic acid and 4% of lactic acid, which makes it perfect, like, for both face and body. Like, I don't separately get a body exfoliator. I just use on my body whatever I use for my face. Like, I do know, and at least I personally feel that using a scrub on body feels more relaxing, and also it helps in improving the blood circulation on your body. During this winter time, I don't like to spend extra time in the bathroom, so I just like to quickly get it done with my exfoliation routine. So I use it right after I have cleansed my body and I have patted dry my body, and then I take a pump of this, like how much ever is needed for my entire body. I just apply it all over, just like how you use your lotion, because, like, I feel if you have too many flaky skin on your body, the physical scrubs are not that useful unless you literally scrape it off from your body. And if I, even on my body, like, if I rub anything too harsh, it gets red and irritated. And for the body lotion, the product that I'm about to share is something that has been used in my home from almost a decade, and especially during winter time, it's a must in my home. And the product is the Nivea Body Milk for very dry skin. Like, formulation wise, this particular lotion is not very clean. It doesn't look that clean, and it does have all the controversial ingredients. But I must confess that I have used many costly body lotion, many drugstore body lotion. When the winter comes, this particular variant from Nivea is something that works for me, and also for my dad, and also for my sister. So whether you know or not, if you have extremely dry skin, body oils, body butters, many times they don't work. at least in my case, or for my dad and even for my sister, like we three have extremely dry skin. So for us, the oils just sit on the top, it doesn't sink into the skin. Instead it stick to all the clothes and whatever gets in contact with our skin. Since Nivea has many varieties of body lotion to cater different skin types and different necessity, and you don't end up getting a wrong product, here are few things that I want to pinpoint. The first thing that you want to identify on label is at the very bottom you will see that very dry skin should be written, and when you turn the bottle on the back side, like they have skin feel description. They have a lotion which are of lighter consistency, some are of moderate, and this is the richest version. So a circle should be marked on the last droplet, that is towards the rich side, so which will clearly say that this particular lotion is for extremely dry skin. And next, for the body butter, like which I really liked and something that has worked for me, it is the Kama Ayurveda Kokum Almond Body Butter. Since I have already reviewed the Kama Ayurveda Body Butter in my previous body care video where I reviewed so many body care products, I'm not gonna drag the review here. So in the comment section below, do let me know what are your favorite body lotions and butter, especially for this winter time. Like I do have my Nivea body lotion, but at the same time I do like to check out many new options, and I just enjoy the process of exploring different products. So before I sign out of this video, I want to share this amazing tip I just remembered, that unless you are using this chemical exfoliator, for the other times, like don't let your body dry out completely. When your skin is still bit damp, apply your body butters and lotion. This way your skin stays moisturized for a long time and the product works more effectively. So yeah, this was the little tip I wanted to share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.